Welcome to Boundary Ford, located 2502 50th Avenue, Mr. Border City. Today we're here at this beautiful pre-owned 2021 Ford Bronco's Outer Banks. The exterior color is black, and under the hood is a 2.7 liter, engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front, we have automatic headlamps as well as fog lamps, and over to the side, we have 19-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in grappler tires, as well as color-matched handles and mirror caps. This 2021 Bronco also comes with remote start, as well as an engine block heater. At the rear, we have a power lift tailgate, as well as a rear camera with reverse sensing systems. At the interior, we have driver-friendly features including power locks, power windows, as well as mirror settings with door storage. Making our way into the cabin, you'll see our lovely black leather seating with adjustable sulky on the side, as well as our lumbar support. Over our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp settings, as well as a tilt steering wheel with our cruise control option on the left and our median hands-free option on the right, which is developing your rearview mirror with our cabin lighting. Looking forward to this 2021 Bronco, you can see it has 31,203 kilometers on it, as well as over our center face, you'll see options available such as our audio, full integration, navigation, application, settings, and features, which is below being a climate control area, which provides air conditioning and heating for the entire cabin. Alongside that, we have heated seats. If there are any more questions about this beautiful pre-owned 2021 Ford Bronco Outer Banks, then please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answer any questions you may have. Thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.